and the wellness journey continues. I am back here in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, California, where I am here at Misha Tu's location. She's the wonderful esthetician that did the back facial for me. And today we are going to do a microneedling facial. So I'm really excited about this because as somebody who takes care of their skin and works in the beauty industry, I have yet to try microneedling. So I'm super excited. I know that you mentioned it takes about 4 to 6 sessions or recommended, depending on your skin type. Remember, it's all about customization. Tell us a little bit about microneedling, the benefits of it, what people should know, and any important information on it.
Okay, when we talk about microneedling, people are always like collagen, 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 hydration, anti-aging, just looking great, just glowing your skin all the time.
I mean, who doesn't want great skin? I know I want great skin. You want great skin?
Awesome.
And I know you guys want great skin, so stay tuned, take a look, follow our journey, and if you have any questions, always let us know.
Well, we did finish the treatment, so I'm very happy with his skin, how his skin reacted, and wow, you see 10-15 minutes after the treatment,
yeah, I mean,
almost no redness.
Yeah, almost back to normal, except I feel ultra glowing, I feel amazing, it feels very plump. I was very surprised that it wasn't as aggressive as I've read by like the vampire facial where you come out very bloody or very red. The technique is a little different, and it was perfect for me specifically because it's the first time getting it done. I still see huge results, even little fine lines on my forehead that I could see, I don't see anymore. So there's definitely a lot of plumpness, there's definitely a lot of hydration, and I feel great. So if I feel great on the first session, I'm really excited to see how it's gonna be in the next 3 to 4. So.
Yeah. So the goal is actually not to use aggressive to be like microneedling, deep microneedling. This is another kind of technique using a lot of serums, a lot of another things with microneedling which support actually the treatment, but it doesn't go to this aggressive look like people are very afraid of, oh okay, microneedling, how I'm not gonna look after. How long time is the downtime? It's like
no downtime.
No,
ready to go. I mean,
you
can't. I'm not gonna work out today or do anything extracurricular. But as far as just I can go about my day. I can go outside. I can be fun. I have the SPF, which is important, of course. But it feels great, and I literally feel rejuvenated. Like it's a huge rejuvenation feeling to it.
Yeah,
like I feel like it's plump, very plump.
Yeah, so it's a
fresh, like a baby skin.
Exactly, this is what you want to have.
Taking the age back. Spit it back, spit it back.
Exactly.
Perfect. Well, stay tuned and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you soon.